Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning and I've moved. That's why I have not been able to get into contact with a lot of you that had questions, especially on that mask pattern. Um, we just got internet and it's just been a crazy time for us trying to get this move from one state to another. And we had some crazy closing dates and things had changed. So I'm glad you all have been very patient with me. And hopefully, with our new house, and this is my new craft room that I am trying to organize, that we will have more exciting videos to share with you. And I am trying to get this place organized. And I would love it if you all would offer some tips to me. Let me see if I can get better lighting. I would love it if you all could offer some tips for me to get this room organized. Right now, it's like a four-season room, so I have a lot of windows going on. Let me show you there. So, yeah, it's a lot of windows, and back here is where I'm trying to put my all of my craft supplies, majority of it over there. And if I could pan around, that's where we've just got this internet installed, and this will be my sewing area. So I'm thinking about putting an L-shaped desk over there to hold my sewing machine, serger, and maybe an ironing desk. So when I get that in, I will show you all. But right now, I am trying to just kind of get sections organized right now. And if you have some tips on what I can do or how I can organize this space, I wish you would leave it in the comment section. So until next time, bye.